Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello, and welcome back to this video. Thank you so much for clicking. Let's just get into the video. We are about to be doing a work style. Yes. As you can see, I'm in my robe, but I got on my shirt, my t-shirt. Anybody in the military knows exactly what that shirt is. That is the work shirt. That is the lounge shirt. That is the shirt. But anyway, let's just get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no lady. In the meantime, I go where I want. Just some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little baby. In the meantime, I go where I want. Get some me time. You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You know what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You know what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I up myself. Well. Like a glance from the past, dark, the frame, you're the poster of war. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm fairy tales, I'm the Houston. Got me questioning what you've done. She used to be out of reach. step out, get some pen now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on an empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. Trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make sense of love, change me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the rise. What it will be up in front of me. Oh, wow, I weep all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. But then, always always inside. Put them in my mind, only on my feet. They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? You just step back, will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you intended. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
And here we have the final look. What you think, what you think, what you think. Now, granted, my twists, they probably a little off, right? But it's fine. They're like 98% like symmetrical. They cousins. They related. But look at the back. First of all, you can't tell me that that's not taut. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Y'all have a safe week and a blessed week. Peace.